Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's fantastic to have you join me today for a wonderful 10-minute exercise routine designed specifically. For those of us over 60, staying active is one of the best gifts we can give ourselves, and it doesn't have to be complicated or strenuous. This session is all about gentle, effective movements that will help improve your balance, flexibility, and strength, all from the comfort of your home. All you need is a sturdy chair and a positive attitude. Remember to listen to your body, move at your own pace, and most importantly, have fun with it. Before we begin, a quick reminder to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Your safety is our top priority. All right, let's get that chair ready and prepare to feel amazing. Let's get moving. First up, we'll start with a gentle warm-up to get our blood flowing and our muscles ready. Sit tall in your chair with your feet flat on the floor and your back straight. Let's begin with some simple neck stretches. Slowly tilt your head to the right, as if you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it here for about 15 seconds. Don't force it, just a nice, easy stretch. Now, slowly bring your head back to the center and do the same on the other side, tilting to the left. Beautiful. Hold it, and back to center. Now let's do some shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them back and down. Let's do 5 of these. 1, 2, feel that tension releasing, 4, and 5. Great. Now let's reverse it and roll them forward for 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Excellent work. Now let's wake up our ankles and wrists. While still seated, extend one leg out in front of you. Let's start by pointing and flexing your foot. Point your toes away from you, then flex them back towards you. Let's do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do some ankle circles with that same foot. Circle it to the right 5 times, and then to the left 5 times. This is wonderful for circulation. All right, bring that foot back down and let's switch to the other leg. Extend it out and let's point and flex for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for the ankle circles. 5 times to the right, 5 times to the left. Perfect. Now for our wrists. Hold your arms out and make gentle fists. Then circle your wrists 10 times one way and 10 times the other. This simple movement is so important for maintaining dexterity. Okay, our warm-up is done and it's time for our main exercises. We'll continue using the chair for support. Our first exercise is the Situstan. This is a fantastic functional movement that strengthens your legs and core. Sit on the edge of your chair, feet hip-width apart and flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them out in front for balance. Now, using your leg muscles, push yourself up to a full standing position. Then, slowly and with control, lower yourself back down to the chair. We're going to do this 8 to 10 times. Let's go. Up, and slowly down, and control it on the way down. 2. If you need to use the chair arms for a little push, that's perfectly fine. 3. The goal is to build strength over time. 4. Keep your back straight. 5. You've got this. 6. Feel those leg muscles working. 7, and one more. 8. Fantastic. Take a moment to catch your breath. Next, we'll do some leg extensions while seated. This exercise targets the quadriceps, the large muscles at the front of your thighs. Sit tall in your chair again, holding on to the sides for stability. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you, squeezing the thigh muscle. Hold it for a couple of seconds, and then slowly lower it back down. We'll do 10 repetitions on each leg. Let's begin with the right leg. Up, squeeze, and down. That's 1. 2. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. Now, let's give that right leg a rest and switch to the left. Same thing. Extend it out. Squeeze and lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Line, wonderful job. You're building strength with every repetition. Now, let's work on our arms and back with some seated rows. This exercise helps improve posture. Sit at the edge of your chair. Extend your arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height with your palms facing each other. Now, imagine you're pulling something towards you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you bend your elbows and pull your hands back towards your chest. Then, slowly extend your arms back to the starting position. Let's do 12 of these. Pull back and squeeze. 1. Extend. 2. Really focus on that squeeze between the shoulder blades. 3. 4. This feels great for the upper back. 5. 6. Keep your chest lifted. 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 2 more. 11 and 12. Fantastic. Shake out your arms a little. You're doing so well. Let's move on to an exercise for balance, which is so crucial. We'll use the chair for support. Please stand up and move to the back of your chair, holding onto it with both hands for stability. We're going to do some simple heel raises. Keeping your legs straight, slowly rise up onto your tiptoes. Hold for a second, and then slowly lower your heels back to the floor. This strengthens your calf muscles and ankles. Let's aim for 12 repetitions. Up on your toes. Dot, 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 and down. 1, 2. Keep the movement slow and steady. 3, 4. Use the chair as much as you need. 5, 6. As you get stronger, you can try holding on with just one hand, or even just your fingertips. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11 and 12. Great work. Now let's follow that with some toe raises. Stand flat-footed and simply lift your toes off the ground, rocking back slightly on your heels. Let's do 12. Lift, dot, 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 and down. This works the muscles on the front of your lower legs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Our next balance exercise is the side leg raise. Continue standing behind your chair and holding on for support. Stand on your left leg, keeping it slightly bent, and slowly lift your right leg out to the side as far as you comfortably can. Keep your back straight and your toes pointing forward. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower your leg back down. Let's do 8 on each side. Ready? Lift the right leg. 1, and down. 2. Control the movement. 3. Don't swing the leg. Lift it. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Excellent. Now, plant that right foot firmly, and let's switch to the left leg. Lift it out to the side. 1, and down 2. 3. You might find one side is easier than the other, and that's completely normal. 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, dot, dot, 8. Absolutely brilliant. Balance is a skill, and we're practicing it right now. We're heading into our cool down now. Let's bring our heart rate down and do some lovely stretches. Go back to sitting tall in your chair. Let's stretch our hamstrings, the muscles on the back of our thighs. Extend your right leg out with your heel on the floor and toes pointing up. Keep your back straight and slowly lean forward from your hips until you feel a gentle stretch in the back of your leg. Don't round your back. Hold it right there for about 20 seconds. Just breathe into the stretch. Never stretch to the point of pain. A gentle pull is what we're looking for. Okay, slowly come back up and let's switch legs. Extend the left leg, heel on the floor, toes up. Lean forward gently. Hold. This is so good for flexibility and relieving lower back tightness. Keep breathing. A few more seconds. And dot, dot, dot. Relax. Now for a figure for stretch to open up our hips. I'll see you to cross your right ankle over your left knee. If this is too much, you can cross it over your left ankle instead. Sit up straight, and if you want a deeper stretch, you can gently press down on your right knee. You should feel this in your hip and glute. Let's hold for 20 seconds. This is a fantastic stretch, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Remember to breathe. Okay, let's uncross and switch sides. Left ankle over the right knee. Sit tall and apply gentle pressure if you like. It's amazing how a simple stretch can make you feel so much better. Hold it here, dot, 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 and release. Finally, let's end with a big, full body stretch. While seated, reach both arms up high towards the ceiling. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your arms float back down to your sides. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, reach up, stretch everything, dot, dot, dot. And exhale, relax. You did it. An entire 10-minute workout. Give yourself a round of applause. You should feel proud for taking this time for your health and well-being today. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate this routine into your day a few times a week. Every little bit of movement adds up and makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for exercising with me today. I hope you feel energized and refreshed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective routines to help you stay active and healthy. Take care of yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.